Eastleigh is full of activities. It's a behavior activity. Look at how many people have come to shopping. So many of them. This is JM Kaundo. Kindly subscribe to my channel. We are taking on a tour of Islii on a Christmas shopping. Okay, so just showing you how crazy the situation is in Islii, and it's on a Sunday, date 14. Mahali pa kupitia hata hakuna. Angalia venye kumeshikana. Everywhere is busy. So for the business people, it's a booming business for them. You can see even how many hawkers are around. So for the people who are doing business, they are going to be making a kill of it. And then the situation is quite there. A lot of sewage overspilling. So this is around Bangkok area. It's now where people come to get bearings. So if you are lost in Islii, or maybe you don't know where you are going in Islii, ask where Bangkok is. It's I think the landmark that you can be able to get directions from. So we are still walking around showing you how the situation is. It's very, very crazy. Very many people have come. Yeah, so, and even for the people who are coming to shop in Islii, if you really don't know where you are going, I would rather talk to people like us, like JM Kaundu, who has been in these streets for quite some time, to show you where things are, or maybe to do the shopping for you, because you're gonna be lost, or maybe you're going to buy things that you don't want. Yeah, because everywhere is crazy, and you might even get disappointed, get conned. There are so many things that are happening in Italy right now. I won't lie to you that if you come, there's that promise that when you come to Islii, you're gonna buy things at a cheap price, but that might not be true for someone who does not know where they are going to buy these items from. Okay, so you really need, if you're coming to Islii with the mentality that you are going to buy things at a cheap price, you might have to rethink, because things are sold in different places, different prices. So there are sections where they are selling at a wholesale price, there are sections where they are selling at a retail price, there are other places where you will find a compromise price. So you really need to know where to go to. And of course, JM Count can be able to help you. Yeah, I've been in these streets for quite some time. It's been my go-to place. So like right now, I'm looking for a specific item for my customer. Check me on Instagram, Joking Collection. Facebook, Joking Collection is the fastest growing page. Yeah, online fashion store. Of course, we do online fashion store. We don't have a shop. Yeah, so that is what I'm doing. And of course, I have to show you what it looks like on the outside of this busy shopping malls. You're gonna be doing another video from inside to just show you how the inside looks like. But before that, let's just walk you around and show you how Islii is becoming busy. People are coming to buy fashion wares for their loved ones, and for the business people also, they're coming to buy for wholesale, or they can go and resell. Yeah, look at how busy. Hata mahali ya kupitia, we are struggling to even get somewhere to walk through. So that's how busy it is in Islii. Yeah, very busy, but all in all, it's cool. Yeah, especially for those who know where they're going, for those who know what they're doing, it's cool. But for newcomers, you're going to be disappointed when you come to Islii. You will not like it, especially at this time. If you are coming to Islii for the first time to do shopping, don't come during Christmas season. You'll be disappointed. You will even end up not buying anything, or maybe buying things that you don't intend to buy. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. Leave a sweet comment. Tell me where you're watching me from. What is it that you're looking for this Christmas? And how can Joy King Collections help you to get that which you want at a wholesale or retail price? Okay, so thank you so much. Keep watching the video. We're going to be exploring the first streets, all of it, and showing you all the places, what you need to know. And then thereafter, we're going to be getting you inside the shopping malls and showing you the products that you can be able to get. If you are a wholesaler and you're looking to buy at a wholesale price, I'll also take you to the places that you can be able to buy at a wholesale price. If you are looking to buy one item or two items for your loved ones, yeah, this video is going to be showing you where to buy these, items that you want. Okay, so let's go.
shit is happening in Islii. Too much traffic, human traffic. Watu wamekuja for winners. Imagine this is not the main street, not the main center, that is. We have come from the main center and you can see even right here, it is very congested. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe. It's your favorite content creator, JM Kaunda. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
So if you're looking to buy at retail price, Tansi Mall, Dar es Salaam Mall, Tohid, you know, basements, that is where you get at a wholesale price, and then you get to the first floor and second floor where you buy at a retail price. Okay, so that is something you need to note. Basements are always meant for wholesale, so when you go to the basement, be prepared to buy not less than a dozen or half a dozen. But if you go to the first floor, second floor, you can buy one or two items, yeah, at a relatively not that expensive price. But of course, if you're buying many items, the best place is go to the basement, yeah. And then if you go to G Center, G Center is the best place for people who want to buy things at a wholesale price, where you buy like one bale. Yeah, if you're looking to buy in bales, you're looking to buy in bulk, there you can be able to get a very cheap price. You can get even a dress for 200, 150, very nice quality. Yeah, so those are the places you need to master. G Center, Alma, where you buy in bales. But if you're looking to buy maybe have a dozen, or not very many items, go to the basement of the Tansim Mall, Iftin, Tohid, Dar es Salaam,